Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix-Up, it's not credible. And about 40 minutes ago, Vany took to her Instagram page to basically talk about her being shot and how she's feeling and what she plans on doing for the future. And I'm going to read that for you. Also, Shauna Chyn is allegedly being heard on this video that's circulating with Vany being shot. And we're also going to talk about that because there's a fake page using her name claiming responsibility for it. You see what I'm saying? But before we get into all of that, I'm going to need them to hit the like button, subscribe, and also the notification bell. Because Aronia say get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips.
Video put it on YouTube and make people see that she get gunshot.
Now, a lot of people think this incident was fake because they didn't see no blood. But remember, all the Mega Mart set up uptown. It's like a compound. There's two entrances at either side of the place. You see what I said? So she could have been shot on the street and ran inside the compound for safety. Because unless this is a video shoot and these security guards are along with it, the Hawkeye security, we can't say it's fake. You see what I'm saying? That I don't think the papers would put out a fake story with not verifying from KPH that she was admitted for gunshot wounds. It's right. So, we heard Shauna Chyn allegedly in the video. Vany has been shot. I don't know if they walked up on her and shot her in the arm and in the leg, but one thing's for certain, this wasn't a drive-by. And this wasn't no warning. These people just couldn't shoot, and they're using some old bullets in the 2019. You see what I'm saying? If she got shot in the hand, she was definitely trying to defend herself. She got shot in the wrist, that in the waist. That means that she was trying to turn around and run. And she got shot in the leg as she was running. And I'm going to read her response to you, but before, let me read what this fake Shauna Chyn page is saying. Me tell her no, I was going to get her for hacking my page. Now look what she a cause. Me I tell ya, good God don't sleep. Long time coming. Hashtag Shauna Control Boss. They're saying this is a fake page, but who knows? It could be the real one using the fake page. Vany says this. Hey, thank God I watch, show, and know how to duck when bullets start fly. I nearly dead, yo. I'm so scared they will come back for me. What if they kill me? What if they still come at me to hurt me? If I die, I know I am sorry for everything, and I just didn't know someone would shoot me, and me not dead coward. Anybody will shoot me, hashtag suck on no matter. I admit I do a lot of bad things. I wasn't thinking it was this serious though. My life is completely changed. After this, too bad I wait this long. I saw all the bad mind laughing while God is guiding me, protecting me. Could I lose my life? I didn't want to post nothing but thanks to all who wish me fast recovery. I'm so sorry for all the drama, all the bullying on media, all the hacking page. Thanks to God I have life. And shaking my head sigh, I'm in so much pain, yo. I can't sleep comfortable, so scared. Too, I'm sorry for everything I've done now. My eyes are open. up and know me, know all way me do a fuckery. Shaking my head, I'm just glad I still have laugh. I'm so sorry. Child, no, Ivani. If it's all because of hacking page, you know, when your teeth, it brings on a different types of energy, you know. Teeth in business no different is different from you just out there going out and making it on your own. So, you know, she look like she changing her life for the better. She need to just start her own YouTube channel, start her own Instagram channel. Because she have the crowd. And we all heard her sing. And she's pretty good at it, so you know what I mean? Nuffy also has some things to say. So I was just giving this quick update that she responded, you know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Caronia say you get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. Bless.
Oh, Starface get read. Starface is just thing was it. And I like Starface could have even said she could have performed. I mean, it's still run there for a trainer and a teacher. How to go up on stage and how to go up on stage and how to breathe and...
Yo.
Wagwan. I'm here to try to find... Who this again now?
Yo. Me ask you, Ivany dead or not?
No, she not dead.
She get shot for true? In a real life?
3 shots. One in the spine, one in the back, one in the leg.
Oh, God. So she's alive?
She's alive. And
oh, you know.
Where you calling from?
Live England.
Hi, England. Oh, England. How are you guys? How you doing?
We're doing fine.
I can get a cup of tea?
You can get a coffee.
Okay. Listen to me.
Murder! Ivany!
Me understand what's going on. Everybody, you be back home, you come to Jamaica in a December time or summertime, are we?
You want to hear the funny, you want to hear the joke or you want to hear the truth? Which one?
The truth, plus the joke.
I came here when I was 8 and I haven't been back and I'm in my 30s right now.
Yeah?
So I don't know nothing about Jamaica. I left there when I was 8. I'm in my 30 now.
So have you ever tried? You don't get your boom bang yet? You think no up yet?
I'm a British citizen, man.
I'm sorry, I have no credit left.
But I just don't come Jamaica like
all right.
From a left back.
Stick up in. What's the reason why you don't go? What is the reason?
There's no reason, but I just can't be bothered to go on the plane, if you understand.
Oh, so it's not a problem with Jamaica, per se, or nothing at all. And you heard about all these.
I come from the worst place in Jamaica.
And I don't set me up to call the place where in Jamaica the worst place. Where you from?
Correct Town, Anna Town, Bamboo Street. Whoa. Can we get a wow for that, please?
Wow. Can we get a wow? Wow. Can they have new teeth?
Yeah, amen. Ivany's alive. Hallelujah.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
Look here. You see, the whole scenario about the whole thing of Ivany taking people page. She takes some of the page them and she let the page them alive more than the people them do. You know that?
I'm telling you, but what I have to tell you, my brother, when she get better, she have to change her ways because nobody like her on the internet.
Well, I wouldn't say nobody like her on the internet, you know.
To me on the internet, everybody, I'm on everybody's internet, everybody saying she died, she dead.
No, when you hear the news first and you get 3 gunshots, that's all people are going to say you're dead. In any case, anywhere, they're going to say you're dead. Listen, I see the net where people sending love and sending hate. Sending love, and she get more love more than hate.
Yeah.
And all of these net is like Pink Wall, Dear Dream, Tropics, Bombay, King Mix Up, Entertain, all of these. Jane?
Yeah.
Zane?
Yeah.
And Vany is here for a purpose. She may do the things them way. So for some people in a certain type of way, and I'm not with her for it, but I understand she a part of lacking of love because she don't grow in a certain type of because she go have a father.
You can't really say that. Probably when she was younger, she never have her mom and her dad and all of them things. She think she young, you know, so she think, okay, what me I do is it's just fun. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah, so listen, guess what happened now? She get this thing and she start this thing and then people are ate up on her. And this is how Jamaicans stay. This is weed. She start the thing, she take a candy page and everybody sorry for candy and then want kill Vany, the whole world want kill Vany. And then after a while she continue with them and she be with them and then get to love her. Then Candy get back her, Candy is still at. Candy end up and get back another page. And then Vany got some bomb snagging and she take another page again. And people hate her and she continue and then they love her. The same people that's
babe, they're gonna call you back. My son, babe, listen, babe. They're gonna call you back. They're gonna open the door to my son. They're gonna call you back. Yeah?
Alright. Yeah.
Baby. One love, big up yourself, Nuffy.
Blessing. Yeah, as we say, big up Billie Jean, you know. She did take pretty page, Billie Jean, big up, you know. Cause you don't know, say, you're Fracil or I Water, yes, she did take I Water page too. You don't know you're Fracil song, JetBlue, people, make sure you wanna go check it out. JetBlue, go check out JetBlue. Go YouTube and check out Billie Jean and Fracil. Billie Jean featuring Fracil, JetBlue. And make sure you check out Shauna S. Zine up in there. And make sure you check out Sh00ter. Zine. Just YouTube and check out Fracil and my artist them know me around. They hear me tell you. Zine famous. She just need love and going around acting. People play don't need to be in her vocabulary and you can be famous without that because she very funny. She funny for true. It's a funny JetBlue. Yeah man. She's a funny girl. To tell you the truth, she's a funny girl. You understand? But you know, can't say Vany lack of love and all these things. As I said, the girl just said to you a while ago, she never have a mother and father around. And people were growing at the farm at there. Some come out good and some don't come out good. So if them have something with them love, if them go towards animal things, that them guard we can't stand, you know. You have to talk to some psychiatrists about these people, people like Ivan. You know? Them are one man fair chat and nothing. Not that change. I did tell you, you know. Say one man fair chat and nothing, not that change about him. You see? But trust me. You know, I'm glad I Water even get back in page too. JetBlue, I Water get back in page. She never have no proper guidance, that's true. True. So, Shabba, big up yourself, you know. Shabba Link, big up yourself, see? You don't know anything about people. So, as me say, I just the whole system. People, remember me say, check me out. See? Balaclava. December 23rd, you heard? It have a Madam Bossy. See? You don't know. Madam Bossy, me and Singer J. Renaissance. Juba Squad. See? And you don't know high tension, the whole 9 yard. I don't know, so the next show, December 31st. St. Best Celebration. Zine, Spice, Javalani, Gage, Shauna, Blackman, Fracil, Zine, you don't know, Sh00ter.